Good afternoon, world history. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to week 7, digital learning. Just wanted to share with you the assignments for this week. Make sure that you understand what my expectations are as we journey through this week. First of all, today is Monday. These assignments are due on Sunday night before 11:55 p.m. So the very first thing that you're going to be doing is going to Quizlet. You're going to complete the Unit 7.1 Part 1 Nationalism and Imperialism vocabulary. You do not have to do flashcards, but what I am asking you to do is to complete the games on Quizlet for my class, gravity and matching. You do not do these just one time. You'll do them multiple times. Try to get the very best score. Get the highest score that you possibly can. The person who has the highest score does get extra points. But I need to see that you're mastering levels, that you're doing work. Just doing it one time does not meet the requirements. Also, double check. Make sure that your username clearly distinguishes who you are. There's information in Google Classroom on how to change your username if you have not done so also. So that's the first thing. The second thing, Unit 7.4, 7.5 lecture video notes. You are not required to turn these notes in. However, there is going to be an assessment on Unit 7.1 to 7.5. So I would strongly encourage you, write down notes as you're listening to the videos, what is said, as well as the actual PowerPoints. They will help you for the assessment. We're going to have a collaboration with Ms. Sanders this week on these units as well, which will hopefully give you a little better insight into some of the literature aspect of World War I. So that's 7.4, 7.5. You do not have to turn it in per se, but you are going to be tested on it. The final thing is the underlying causes of World War I, DBQ. You do not have to go to the DBQ online link that I had originally put up. I recognize there were some problems with that, so I've taken that down, and instead you have the assignment which is posted right here for you. You can click on that. The instructions will come up, and here are your instructions. You're going to read the background essay, and then you're going to have document B, C, D, E, and F. So you'll want to answer all of those questions, and you need to make sure that you read this background essay to get familiar with exactly what is going on. So that is your assignment. You will turn those in. Make sure that when you're reading these documents, you recognize the source, when it was written, the titles, but answer the questions thoroughly and effectively. How soon after war broke out was this cartoon published? Well, what we know is when was it published? August the 5th, 1914. So you can go back and say, okay, when did war basically start? Well, basically this war is going to start in 1914, June 28th. So that tells you this article was in August. The war broke out in late June. So there you go. So how soon after? A couple of months, 2 months. All right, so make sure you're answering those specifically. Let me know that you're engaged in the material. Don't forget that if you're having a hard time seeing, you can move your screen, zoom in to find some of the answers to the questions if you need them. That's your assignment for the week. As always, contact me Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. If you have any questions, don't forget about our virtual meeting that we have every Thursday. So these are great opportunities for you. If you do not understand something or you need help, I'm here to help you. Have a wonderful week.